Hi friends, I am Uday Kumar. Welcome to Knowledge and Trending channel. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share to your friends. Let's start the video. Today I am going to unbox the Boult Audio Bassbuds Loop Wired earphone. See here they clearly returned their branding Boult Audio, and one side they returned hash unplug yourself, and one more side they returned their branding again Boult Audio, and one more side they given some of the specifications. I will read it now. See here they clearly mentioned L-shaped connector, 1 year warranty also they are providing, and in this they are added some extra bass and a HD deep bass and 3D acoustics and built-in mic and built-in micro woofers. And backside they given some more specifications. Here they returned model number BA Loopy BLK2, and here they returned MRP price 1199, but it is not a original price. Original price is only 499 in Flipkart. I ordered in Flipkart this Boult Audio earphones, and I ordered black color earphones, but this Boult Audio earphones are available in two colors, red and black color. Now I will open the box and I will show you what are all the contents they are providing inside. They are providing some extra tips, and one more interesting point is they are providing one clip also. It is very useful when you are traveling in buses at that time. Only they are providing 4 extra ear tips, and directly they given earphones only. First look is very nice. This is wired earphones. Build quality is very nice. And one more interesting point is here they given magnetic attraction, but they didn't mention anything in the box especially like magnetic attraction is available in these earphones, like that they didn't mention, but in this magnetic attraction also available. It is also nice interesting point. In these earphones they are providing extra 2 more ear tips. They are installed on the earphones itself, and they are providing extra 2 more ear supports also. It is very useful. I said that they are providing L-shaped connector. Yes, they are providing L-shaped connector also. This is very useful. Here they mentioned their branding Boult, and they provided a built-in mic here itself. See, in this earphones itself they are provided a built-in mic. I think you can clearly observe here. And one more interesting point, in these earphones they provided one button. How it will use I will show you now. Now I am going to connect to this device. See here it is showing symbol. Now I am going to play one audio. I think you can clearly observe the audio. Especially in this bass is very nice. See here also they given their branding symbol, Boult branding symbol. In this one more interesting point also is there. I will show you guys. See, according to your ear size you can adjust this ear supports up to this. Here they given one support thing. Up to this you can adjust according to your wish. This is also very nice. See both the sides they given. Here they given one slot especially for that, for adjusting purpose. There is no disturbance while you are talking with someone. When you are talking in traffic time also there is no disturbance from other person's side. I didn't get any complaints about sound, noise. First of all, in this build quality is nice, and built-in mic also properly it is working. In these earphones I liked few points. First of all, this adjustment, and one more is build quality under 500 rupees. I think this is the best earphones. This also especially the people who loves more bass, for them it is perfectly suitable, this Boult Audio earphones. If you are having any doubts, please comment in this video, and I am providing link in description. The people who are interested to buy, please use that link. Today my quote is, work until your signature become an autograph. That's it guys. Okay, bye. Good night and sweet dreams to all.